Assalamu alaikum everyone, welcome back to another new video station. Today I'm gonna do some projects with you guys today using Scratch. So with no more words, let's start our work. To do projects in Scratch, first we need the Scratch, right? So let us go into Scratch. So guys, you can see the screen of Scratch. So here the sprite is sprite cat and the backdrop is selected not. So today we will know about a certain number x and a certain number y. X represents the measurement of your sprite from this side of the screen to this side of the screen. And y represents the height, the measurement of the height, how up your sprite or how lower your sprite is, right? This is the measurement of y minus 148. So your Scratch cat is minus 148 lower, and if it's in middle, the x will be in 0 and y will be also in 0. So here the x cat is in no position, that is x is also 0, y is also 0. So let us now move it. We will use a backdrop that is in Scratch. So here the backdrop we will select. If we scroll down at the last, we can see 3 different backgrounds of these things: XY grid, XY grid 20px, XY grid 30px. We will need the XY grid where the measurements are written. So you can select it. So now you can see the measurements here. In here, minus 240, and here is y, here is 0, and here is 180. Here is 240 and here is 0. Here is O and here is minus 180. So today it will move with me and we will know about this x and y. It will move with the mouse pointer and we'll say its x position or its y position. Very interesting, right? So let's now move to our project. So here in the code tab, you can see motion, looks, blah, blah, blah. So now we will take the go to x 0 and y 0 when the project starts, like when green flag is clicked. Now we will use the forever loop and the if then block. Then we will need the sensing because we need to do it when if the key is pressed. So when a space key is pressed, remember it will move to your mouse pointer. So then I will go to the motion category, go to mouse pointer. It will be inside here, the forever loop, and then it will be inside here. Go to mouse pointer, and in the looks category you can find the say hello. Now that's a way of being a tricky. You will go to motion category a little bit. If you scroll down, you can see x position and y position. Drag and drop these 2 blocks from the motion category. So in the position of hello, you can give x position. So when the key is pressed, it will go to the mouse pointer. Oh, I didn't start the project. Yep, it goes. Here it says here it is minus 48. So if you continuously press the space key and move it around, it is saying its x position. That is, it is changing. I am changing its position. Here it's minus 50, it's minus 82, here it's plus 155, and etc, etc. Now I will stop the project and I will change the x position to y position. Again, start the project. Now you have to continuously press the space key to be pressed, because if we only press the space key, then it will move. Otherwise, if we press the space key one time like this, it will not. If you have to press it more than one time, you have to press it continuously. So here it is showing its y position. That is how up it's from the first to the last. That is from the up to the down. And now if I change it to y position to x position, it will tell me how which measurement it has in x. This is how far it's from the left side of the screen to the right side of the screen. You can see that if I start the project, it has gone to the middle of the screen, that is x is 0 and y is also 0. And if I press the space key continuously, it is telling me the x position, and it's all time going with me. So, but if you don't want to use the space key, just move the block, if then block, and then delete it and wipe it. That's good. If you click the forever loop, it will start. So if you want to use the space key, you can use if then block, and in the sensing category you can get the space key pressed. And now if you don't want to use that, you can only give it in the forever loop. I don't want to use that, so you can see it's changing. It's saying its position of X, that is how far it's from this side of the screen to this side of the screen, right to left or left to right. So now we can stop and say the Y position, or if you want again that direction. Now what is direction? The direction is how you can see here the direction. It is going the mouse upward, legs this side, mouse upward. Again, if this side, you can see it's upside down, that is the legs upward and the mouth downwards. Here it's again changing it's changing its direction, but main direction of it is 90. So if you want to say its direction, it will not mainly go because it is 90. But if we change it here to suppose 100, then if you start a project, it will say 100 because it's saying its direction. If you want to stop the direction and want to say X position, Y position, that's the simple way of saying. If you don't want this any of three, it can go to start and say hello, what is written here. So like this, you can say anything, that is like this circle blocks. In the sensing, there are more, that is like answer, mouse X, mouse Y, the timer, or the username you are using. If you are using Scratch in Chrome, then the username can be find out of the Scratch player. And then it can also use you can also use loudness, timer, current year. It can also say the current year, that is 2021. If you say yep, 2021, it can also say the month, that is month 5, that is this month is May. Then date, today is 7, and many more things to do in Scratch. You can explore and see what else you can do, and comment me on the comment box. And until then, stay safe and fine, and hope you guys are fine. And until then, wait to be seen in my next video. And until then, bye. Allah Hafiz.